All right, in this video, we're going to talk about string variables in Python. Let's see how they work first, then we'll talk about what they are. So I'm going to click the Run button, and you'll notice in the lower right-hand corner, it asks me for my name, so I'll type my name in. And when I press Enter, the rest of the program will run. So there I pressed Enter, and then it dropped in 3 phrases that were generated by the rest of my code. After that, the program stops, it's done. Well, how does it work? So the important thing to know about a string variable is that a string in Python is a set of characters or numbers or a combination of them that is just recognized as characters by Python. They don't have any value for calculation or passing a number on that would be used for any kind of measurement. So I couldn't use this to add numbers together. I couldn't use this to give a specific unit of measurement for a circle or a shape in Turtle. It's great for capturing text or numbers that are just going to be presented back in the program. So names, colors, numbers that won't be used for calculation. All right, so the first 2 lines of our code are just setting it up to draw in Turtle if I want to. The action starts on line 4. Name equals input, what's your name? What happens here is this establishes that the variable is called name. It's going to be an input. So Python knows 2 things already. 1 is we created a variable called name. 2, this is an input where the program will wait until I type in an input and press enter. Until then, nothing will happen. As soon as I press enter, here we go, it runs the rest of the program. Now you'll notice by looking at lines 5, 6, and 7 that I'm just using the variable name in different places in the code. And depending on where it lies on that particular line of code depends on how we set it up. So I want this to print, which means show on the screen, the phrase hello, and then whatever the variable holds, the variable in this case is called name. So if I typed in the word Tom, it's going to display hello and then the word Tom that's held by the variable called name. If I put the variable at the end of my line of code, it needs a plus to separate it from the characters that are in between quotes. If I put it at the beginning, it's the same story. It needs a plus to separate it from the rest of the characters that are surrounded by quotes. If I decide to put the variable in the middle, then you'll notice it has a plus before and after the variable name. In all cases, the rest of the characters that are being printed, like hello, are surrounded by quotations as well. And if I want it to be properly formatted with a space, I actually added a space between the word hello and that closing quote. I hope this has helped you get a basic understanding of how string variables and input work. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.